Good day. I am Victor James Escolano, a PhD student at the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering, Chongyan Christian University, Taiwan, to present our paper titled Predicting Big Data Analytics Adoption Intention Among Small and Medium Enterprises in the Philippines. With the advent of digital transformation, data has become a valuable asset for businesses, and its amount is increasing tremendously on a daily basis. This vast volume of data is known as big data. Technically, big data can be characterized using three variables, such as volume, variety, and velocity. Decision makers believe that big data can provide timely insights while also generating a high amount of revenue. Further, it reflects employee and customer interactions stored in the organization system, resulting in actionable, predictive, descriptive, and prescriptive outcomes. The overall amount of data globally has significantly expanded in recent years. In 2020, data usage reached 64.2 zettabytes, and this voluminous amount may exceed 180 zettabytes by 2025. Smart devices, IoT devices, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and wearable devices have all contributed to this enormous increase. In addition, advancements in social networking sites, e-commerce platforms, and search engines contributed to the growth of data. These enormous datasets can be characterized to have a more complex and varied structure. Recently, large enterprises have employed analytics to understand hidden patterns, customer preferences, and market trends to formulate informed and sound decisions using big data. This innovation refers to Big Data Analytics or BDA. Big data analytics is a set of tools and methods that gather and derive insights from various data sources. It enables enterprises harness data which may lead to improved business decisions, more effective operations, higher profit, and more satisfied customers. However, its implementation is currently limited to large organizations, and its full adoption by small and medium enterprises or SMEs is still scarce. As regards to the scientific question that the study aims to address, the study aims to understand the predictors of BDA adoption intention among SMEs by extending the technology acceptance model or TAM, which included additional variables such as perceived benefits with system quality, predictive analytics accuracy, information quality, and perceived security. This contributes to the growing interest in BDA adoption in SMEs, which is still relatively unexplored, especially in developing countries like the Philippines. Based on prior research, PDA assists SMEs in decreasing the product development lifecycle as well as the cost of development. As an evolving technology, it may improve the operational and strategic performance of SMEs. Even though Philippine SMEs account for more than 99% of registered enterprises and generate 62.4% of total employment, there is still scarcity of literature on SMEs and BDA adoption. This substantial contribution that SMEs provide, as well as the potential benefits of SMEs adopting BDA, underscores the significance of examining adoption intention factors. Hence, it requires further elaboration on the compelling factors of BDA adoption intention among SMEs in developing countries. In terms of the key findings of the study, the analysis indicated that system quality, information quality, predictive analytics accuracy, and perceived security positively influence attitude towards use, which is the most significant predictor of BDA adoption intention. Furthermore, the findings also revealed that perceived benefits had significant relationships with perceived ease of use and usefulness, subsequently leading to attitude towards using BDA. In general, the study indicates a positive interest in adopting BDA among Philippine SMEs. Moving forward, as the nature of the evidence to support the conclusion of the study, this empirical research utilized a quantitative survey obtained from 438 SMEs in the Philippines and analyzed using partial least squares and structural equation modeling or PLS, PLS-SEM. The SMEs that participated in the study offer product development, professional services, retail and marketing, information technology, health and personal wellness, accommodation and food service, transport and storage, construction, and manufacturing. In reference to the measurement model, the study evaluated internal reliability, convergent validity, and discriminant validity to validate the measurement model. Cronbach's alpha and composite reliability were used to assess the internal reliability. The results indicate that all constructs fall between the benchmark values of 0.6 to 0.95, implying high internal consistency and reliability. Moreover, the factor loadings and average variance extracted were also examined to check the convergent validity of the constructs. Accordingly, the results demonstrate that every FL or factor loading value exceeded the expected threshold of 0.7. Concurrently, the average variance extracted of all the constructs is more than the 0.5 rule of thumb, denoting that they explain for more than 50% of the variance. Therefore, the measurement model is reliable and valid. Furthermore, the construct's heterotrait-monotrate ratio was tested to guarantee their discriminant validity. And based on the results, all constructs are below the conservative threshold values of less than 0.85, confirming their discriminant nature. The accuracy of the prediction is assessed by extracting the R-square values to understand the degree of explained variance of the endogenous constructs. Based on the R-square value, 45% of the variance in terms of the adoption intention of BDA is explained in the model. The study also considered the effect size, which indicates a substantive impact of a construct on another one. Although all hypotheses have significant relationships, attitude towards use has the most considerable effect size, F square, on adoption intention. Likewise, the study examined the model's predictive relevance Q square, revealing that perceived benefits have the most considerable Q square value among the endogenous constructs. Therefore, the model establishes the predictive relevance of the endogenous constructs. The study assessed the compelling factors of BDA adoption among Philippine SMEs. Through the structural relationships, path coefficients, and hypothesis results of the extended TAM. First, the study found that system quality, information quality, and predictive analytics accuracy had a positive relationship with the perceived benefits of BDA adoption intention in SMEs. These findings are consistent with earlier studies on BDA, which shows that a high-quality system, rich information content, and accurate system prediction improve users' perceptions of the benefits of BDA. Second, perceived benefits and the usefulness of BDA had a significant relationship. Likewise, perceived benefits and the ease of use of BDA adoption had also a direct relationship. These findings are similar to prior research, which found out that perceived benefits of BDA are essential for SMEs, such as intelligent decision-making and enhanced efficiency and increased usability and functionality. Third, perceived security and perceived benefits of BDA had a significant relationship. The result is comparable with previous research on BDA adoption in SMEs, which discovered that security is a crucial attribute for users when considering the benefits of a new technology, such as BDA. Likewise, perceived security had significant relationship with the ease of use and attitude towards using BDA in SMEs. These findings are consistent with previous investigations, which have found out that as long as the system is secure, BDA become more accessible and functional. Fourth, ease of use and usefulness were directly associated. This is consonant with previous research, which shows an association between these variables while evaluating an innovative system such as BDA. Furthermore, ease of use and attitude towards BDA adoption intention had a significant relationship. Finally, perceived usefulness and attitude towards using BDA in SMEs had a positive relationship. Based on literature, usefulness plays a crucial role in understanding user perceptions when adapting new technology. Additionally, attitude towards use significantly influence BDA adoption intention in SMEs. Recent studies on BDA adoption revealed that SMEs are optimistic about adopting this technology because of its overall impact on SMEs, and which includes informed decision making, operational efficiency, customer understanding, and a competitive advantage for long-term growth in the data-driven business landscape. In terms of the significance of the results to the field and broader community, the study advances the practice of BDA among SMEs in developing nations. First and foremost, the study provides baseline evidence of BDA adoption intention in Philippine SMEs by extending TAM to better understand its predictors. Second, the empirical findings indicate that all the hypotheses in the model have significant relationships. In addition, the study confirms the key predictors of BDA adoption intention in SMEs. Third, its findings may serve as a reference that may be considered by SME managers, owners, and stakeholders when implementing BDA to maximize its benefits and adoption in developing countries like the Philippines. Likewise, they may use the findings of the study in developing frameworks and crafting relevant policies to further the uptake of BDA, thereby leading to intelligent decision-making, enhanced efficiency and productivity, and profitability in SMEs. As regards the additional information that we would like to share, despite the positive findings of the study, developing countries like the Philippines face significant barriers towards BDA adoption, which include limited human and technological resources as well as financial constraints. Government intervention is crucial to initiate programs that promote the adoption of new and innovative technologies among SMEs. Additionally, given the current economic instability, policymakers must prioritize mechanisms to support SMEs. Hence, further research is necessary to develop models and policies that will enhance BDA adoption in the country. And that would be all. Thank you very much.